Every time you connect to the internet, you're basically sending a postcard. Your laptop, your phone, your data, it all travels openly from your device to the website you're visiting. Anyone on the network, from an opportunistic hacker to your internet service provider, can easily read the address on the front and look at the contents. In other words, your online activity is naked, exposed, and totally public. So, how does a VPN fix this? How does it actually keep your online activity private? The answer lies in the concept of a secure tunnel. When you turn on your VPN, the very first thing it does is stop sending postcards. Instead, it takes all your data, your searches, your passwords, your streaming requests, and locks it inside a super secure digital container. This process is called encryption. It scrambles your data using complex math, turning it into useless, garbled nonsense that's impossible to read without a specific digital key. Once your data is encrypted, the VPN establishes a connection with a dedicated remote VPN server. This connection is the secure tunnel. Think of it as a private high-speed rail line built directly between your device and that server, bypassing all the public highways and rest stops of the open internet. When your encrypted data leaves your device, it travels inside this tunnel directly to the VPN server. Even your own internet service provider, the people who normally see every site you visit, only sees one thing: that you are connected to the VPN server. They cannot see what's inside the tunnel, which is your private activity. This is the key step. Your data travels securely through the encrypted tunnel, and when it reaches the VPN server, the server acts as an anonymous middleman. The server decrypts the data, finds out where you wanted to go, say Netflix, and sends the request on its way. Crucially, when the request leaves the VPN server for the outside world, it carries the server's IP address, not yours, to Netflix, to a social media site, or to any third party watching. It looks like the request originated from the VPN server's geographical location, perhaps New York, London, or Tokyo, not from your actual home city. When the website responds, the data goes back to the VPN server, gets re-encrypted, and travels back to your device safely inside that tunnel. So, a VPN doesn't just hide your data, it transforms your connection. It uses encryption to build a private digital tunnel that hides your activity from your ISP and disguises your true identity and location to the outside world. It turns your open, readable postcard into a locked, untraceable private message. That is the genius of the secure tunnel, and that is how a VPN actually keeps your online activity private.